FinTax US presents investment planning. 18 investment tips you need for wealth growth never shared before. Did you know there's an investment strategy that can triple your returns in just a few years? So, stay tuned to find out this and 17 more game-changing tips. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into 18 investment tips you need for wealth growth that you've probably never heard of before. Smart investing is the key to building substantial wealth, and we've got the secrets to help you achieve just that. Points to be discussed, please resume, note or read carefully. We also examine real-life examples and success stories and our most impactful tip. I think you have already read or seen our discussion points. Now, let's highlight the tip with the highest potential return: dividend growth. Dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs. DRIPs allow you to automatically reinvest your dividends to purchase additional shares of the stock, often without paying a commission. This compounding effect can significantly increase your returns over time. For example, if you invest in a company that pays a 3% dividend and reinvest those dividends, your investment grows faster than if you took the dividends in cash. Dollar cost averaging. By investing a fixed amount regularly, such as monthly, you purchase more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. This approach reduces the impact of market volatility and lowers the average cost of your investments over time. Tax loss harvesting. This strategy involves selling investments at a loss to offset capital gains from other investments, thereby reducing your taxable income. You can then reinvest the proceeds in a similar asset to maintain your portfolio's balance while benefiting from the tax deduction. Sector rotation. Sector rotation involves shifting your investment focus to sectors expected to outperform based on economic cycles. For instance, cyclical sectors like technology and consumer discretionary tend to perform well during an economic expansion, whereas defensive sectors like utilities and healthcare are better during downturns. Alternative investments. Diversifying beyond traditional stocks and bonds into real estate, commodities, or cryptocurrencies can provide additional growth opportunities and hedge against market volatility. These assets often have low correlation with traditional investments, enhancing your portfolio stability. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allow you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses in exchange for higher interest rates than typical savings accounts or CDS. While riskier, this can offer higher returns if carefully managed. Index funds. Index funds, such as those tracking the S&P 500, offer broad market exposure, low fees, and reduced risk through diversification. By investing in an index fund, you effectively buy a small piece of many companies, which helps spread risk and reduces the impact of any single company's poor performance. Dividend growth investing. Focus on companies that not only pay dividends but also have a history of consistently increasing them. This indicates strong financial health and can lead to significant income growth, especially when dividends are reinvested. REITs, Real Estate Investment Trusts. REITs provide exposure to real estate investments without directly buying or managing properties. They pay high dividends as they must distribute most of their taxable income to shareholders, making them a good income source. Robo-advisors. Automated investment platforms like Betterment and Wealthfront manage your investments based on your risk tolerance and goals. They offer low fees and use algorithms to optimize your portfolio, making them ideal for hands-off investors. Options trading. Options can be used to hedge your investments or generate additional income through strategies like covered calls or selling puts. While complex and risky, options offer flexibility and can enhance your returns if used correctly. ESG investing. Investing in companies with strong environmental, social, and governance practices not only aligns with ethical values but also targets firms that are better managed and more sustainable, potentially leading to better long-term performance. High-yield savings accounts. While not an investment in the traditional sense, high-yield savings accounts offer better interest rates than regular savings accounts. They are a safe place to park cash reserves while earning a higher return. Asset allocation. Diversify your investments across various asset classes such as stocks, bonds, and real estate to balance risk and reward. Proper asset allocation is crucial for minimizing risk and achieving steady returns. Global diversification. Investing in international markets reduces reliance on the domestic market and exposes you to growth opportunities worldwide. This can hedge against local economic downturns and currency fluctuations. Buy and hold strategy. Long-term investing in quality stocks, such as blue-chip companies, allows you to benefit from compounding growth. This strategy minimizes trading costs and capitalizes on the market's overall upward trend over time. Small-cap stocks. Small-cap stocks, or stocks of smaller companies, often have higher growth potential compared to large-cap stocks. While riskier, they can offer substantial returns if you identify companies with strong growth prospects. Dividend aristocrats. These are companies that have not only consistently paid dividends but have also increased them for at least 25 consecutive years. Investing in dividend aristocrats provides a reliable income stream and indicates strong financial stability. Now you can check some extra points on the screen for you. Let's revisit our most impactful tip. Dividend growth investing. Consider a case study of two investors. One invests in a company with a stable 3% dividend yield, while the other invests in a company with a 3% yield that grows dividends by 5% annually. Over 20 years, the second investor's dividend income significantly outpaces the first, leading to greater total returns. This demonstrates the power of compounding and growth in income, which is why dividend growth investing is a cornerstone of wealth accumulation. Now, let us discuss about the real-life scenario. Don't just take my word for it. Here are some real-life success stories from investors who have implemented these tips. Real-life examples and success stories. 1. Jane's story. Jane started with a modest portfolio, focused on dividend growth investing, and reinvested all dividends. Over 15 years, her portfolio grew significantly, providing her with a substantial passive income. Real-life examples and success stories. 2. Emily's journey. Emily used robo-advisors and dollar-cost averaging to build her investment portfolio steadily. The automated approach allowed her to stay consistent and benefit from market fluctuations. Real-life examples and success stories. 3. Tom's experience. Tom diversified into international markets and small-cap stocks. Despite some volatility, his diversified approach helped him achieve higher-than-average returns compared to a traditional portfolio. To recap, we've shared 18 powerful investment tips that can significantly boost your wealth. From DRIPs and sector rotation to dividend growth investing and global diversification, these strategies are designed to help you avoid common pitfalls and achieve financial success. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips valuable, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insights, and share your favorite investment tip in the comments below. Happy investing!